Oh shit. Okay, so today what we pretty much like, don't worry about that part. That part, like yeah, we won't talk about that. So today we have two GF bonnets or GC bonnets. Okay, so this one is actually a heavyweight bonnet that came on the cars as I told you guys before. This one is a lightweight bonnet that I scored again for free. It's not the black one, we got rid of the black one, we swapped it for a nice clean white one. Apparently that looks like it came out of a low-K car. So we pretty much are going to be cleaning this one up nicely and putting it on, because the STIs usually come with alloy bonnets, but I think in some point in its life got changed over to a heavy version which carries a lot of weight, and that's a STI which has alloy everything else, so we better put a alloy hood. Oh, that made me dizzy. Oh shit. If anyone is wondering in the comments, we are not damaging the bonnet, it's on foam. So yeah, the more you know. So we're basically doing is it's starting to look good in this area here. We're going over with cut and polish and some brake clean. We've used the brake cleaner off first to get all of the grime, and then we're just going to cut and polish it underneath of the bonnet, because we don't want it to look something like that. It looks really bad. This one was worse, but you know we'll finish it up. Give you an example of what cut and polish does on this black bit here. If you want to focus, just cut and polish. We're going to dab some there. Check that out. Cut and polish magic. See? Works like a charm. You need a bit of elbow grease. And there we go. Nice and shiny too. Makes it shiny. So we've just buffed it. Look how glossy it is compared to that one there. Oh, so these are water jets that go onto your windscreen and splash and make everything beautiful and clean. So this is the factory one. It has two sprays there, but we tested this out and this seems to do a better job. And this is an aftermarket one that came on the bonnet that we scored for free. It's a single one, but it sprays much more water. I like the black one, so I was going to put this onto the new shiny bonnet, but we're going to pretty much paint this black if this is better. But this seems to be better from memory, but we're going to test this out and see what it looks like compared to this one. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that was our very scientific test. So this one seems to be like more of a fan and covers the window a bit more, but this one, factory one, seems to be a straight line, so it goes vertically as you saw in the video. We are going to be going with aftermarket jet washers that came for free, and we're going to paint it black because it gives more detail, adds more detail to the bonnet, so it looks, you know, it's like it's there, it's doing something. And this looks like it's been adjusted as well already, so we're going to put it back in and pop the bonnet on. Exciting, I like it. So I've got gloss black paint here. So what we're going to be doing is, you know, on a cold night, you want to use a professional heat gun like ours to heat up the paint. Oh, you're not supposed to record this part, bro. Because they.
Oh, him. You go again. I'll just. So
now, we take it and we bake it in front of our professional heat gun. Yeah, don't look at our heat gun. It's really professional for you guys. It's got like a bit of shine on it. Sweet. Heavy duty car wash. This bonnet has apparently been sitting and it has been at a wreckers. So we are going to go and wash it, give it a good wash, and then cut and polish it and wax it. Let's go ahead. Just a little dab on there. People are gonna hate me, man, for that.
Grab an umbrella, I make it rain. I make it rain. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes.
Okay, so the car is all good, and I'm sweeping my floor. Well, we've buffed it out, we've waxed it out, we've adjusted the jet washers, and you guys can see how good the paint actually really looks. The paint looks good, we've cleaned it, as you can see the inside looks really nice. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching Car Build New Zealand. If you like this crazy ass videos that I'm making for you guys, for your entertainment, please like this video and subscribe, because I will be making more crazy stuff. See you later.